Hi, it's Almacho. Today I'll be making and eating a nice chicken wing meal. I will be using an air fryer, a bowl and tongs, barbecue sauce, the wings themselves, and some vegetables. First we're going to put our chicken wings in the air fryer. So, gotta open the package. Wrong side. Okay, after some fiddling, we got the bag open. So we're gonna take some of these. Open this up so we can put them in. These are tongs for these. That's one. I'll put quite a few of these in. It's not all for me. Just get a good amount. And well, that's when they're done. And now we're going to put them in on 390 degrees for about 15 minutes. Got the good degrees there. And then just twist this over to 15. And then we'll wait to when they're done. And now that they're done cooking, let's check them out. These look pretty good. Now, I did put them in for a couple extra minutes, so this isn't exactly 15 minutes of cooking, but it's still around there, like maybe 20, around that. So, anyways, now that this is done, let's sauce them up. Let's get them in the bowl here. So we'll get our tongs. And one by one, put them in our bowl so we can get some sauce on there. Try and just make sure that they're all exposed so they can all get sauced. But we are going to kind of mix it a bit anyway, so it doesn't matter too much, but these ones are all connected. Yeah, I'll flip those a bit. And now we sauce them. So just kind of get the sauce out of the corner that you want to cut so you're not spewing sauce. Oh, yeah, here. Okay. It's a bit of a opening, I guess. That seems good. Alright, now that the wings are done, let's cut the vegetables. And some celery here. Okay, now we have our celery cut. We'll get some fennel. This. Yeah, like that. Now that the vegetables are cut, let's serve it up. Get our wings from before. Put them in our restaurant tray. I'm not gonna eat all of those, so I think I'll just take one more. I'm gonna get these on one side and put the vegetables in. I think we'll just in and then like that. And now let's eat. I've got some napkins here because these are quite saucy. Take this one. Yeah, that's a lot of sauce. It's good though, I like sauce. I don't think my mask will in a couple seconds, so. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this a bit differently. Don't eat these with a mask unless you like misses. These are really good, the temperature and everything. A piece. No, it's good. It's just really saucy. On the mask. Thank you for watching this cooking vlog. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.